and welcome back to my channel. If you are new in here, my name is Daria. I'm an artist and I paint on clothes. And these are my mannequins, my art fashion helpers. So guys, in one of my previous videos I showed you how to create galaxy t-shirt and I was using brush strokes technique. I was making brush strokes, I was blending colors into each other. So in this video I will show you how to create galaxy clothes using watercolor technique. And this technique is easier because you don't have to blend colors into each other, as you will use large amount of water. Water will blend these colors. And no, we won't use watercolor, we will use fabric paints, we'll just mix them with water. But clothes will look like you just painted them with watercolor. So beautiful effect. So for painting you need some white clothes, you can use white t-shirt, white sweatshirt, white hoodie. I will paint on a buttons up shirt. You need brush, I will use brush watercolor. And fabric paints. Video about fabric paints I use you can find in the description below. So let's get started. And first I will leave the color up because I don't want it to be painted. And here are the colors I will use: blue, purple, black, red and turquoise. And for the upper part of the shirt I mix blue and black, purple and black, and of course I add large amount of water and I mix colors with water on a palette. And then I add red color and turquoise and blue. You can also add green or orange. There are no strict rules in painting galaxy. The most important is to use blue and purple colors, and all other colors you can use as you wish. But don't forget to clean your brush before you use new color to don't make your colors dirty. And lower part of the galaxy I paint mostly with water. I use large amount of water, small amount of paint, because I want to create a fading colors effect. And I paint this space under the color, and I act very carefully here because if I will put too much water or if I will put my brush too close to the color, paint will move to it, and I don't want it to happen because I want it to stay white. And in the same way I paint other side of the shirt. And I paint back of the shirt. And I unbuttoned short to paint areas which I couldn't reach. And now I will use hard brush. You can use toothbrush to splatter paint to create stars. And I didn't wait until short will dry. It is not necessary thing to do, so I splatter on the wet short. And I paint a couple of shining stars. And painting is finished! So guys, as you can see, you don't need some crazy artistic skills. You don't have to be a designer. You just need white t-shirt, sweatshirt, hoodie or short fabric paints. And the result is amazing. And I just love this art. I hope I will make you love it too. So guys, if you like this video, smash this like button and share this video with your friends. Let's spread the message about art fashion. Let's get rid of all the boring clothes. If you are new in here, consider subscribing to my channel for more DIY videos, and I hope to see you on the next video. Fashion is art. Bye bye.